Hi everyone, I'm Goran Proginic, Product Manager for Underlayment and Carpet Cushion here at Schneer. When it comes to flooring, what goes under the floor, it can be just as important as the floor itself. A good underlayment helps protect your investment, reduce noise, and improve overall performance. Today, I'm sharing something new from our underlayment lineup, EZ Quiet. EZ Quiet is a 3-in-1 foam underlayment with built-in lip and tape, plus an attached moisture barrier. It makes installation quick and secure. It's made from high-density acoustic EVA foam, which helps protect the floor's locking system and reduces noise both in the room and between floors. It also helps smooth out small imperfections in the subfloor. EZ Quiet can be used under laminate and engineered hardwood flooring. It's odorless, non-toxic, and suitable for both residential and light commercial use. This product is available in 2 sample formats, a pad sample card and a pad binder. To request a sample, speak to your Schneer representative or visit Richmond Flooring at schneer.ca for more information. EZ Quiet, a better floor starts underneath. This is the new Schneer, 30 days of people, products, and purpose.